Hi, hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are staying safe. We'll continue the same chapter 4 simple equations. We are going to do sums in exercise 4.3 and the same solving the following equations. But here in this exercise, we are going to cut short the steps and do the sums. Okay, so we are going to learn a new method. The new method is what? We are, instead of writing add 5 to both sides or subtract 5 from both sides, we are going to use a new word, transpose. Okay, or adding means transposing. Okay, adding both sides, a number to both sides. Instead of that, we are going to use a new term, transposing. Transposing means changing the side. Okay, now I'll give an example so that we can understand. Suppose we are going to solve the equation 3x minus 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so here first we have to eliminate 2. For that, what step you will write? Subtract. Not subtract. Here it is connected with subtraction operation. So you will write add to both sides to eliminate the 2. Isn't it, children? So in the both sides, instead of this step, we are going to write transpose minus 2 from LHS to RHS. Okay, so what is the meaning of transpose? Transpose means change the side. Change the side. That means we are going to change this minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. That's the meaning of transpose or transposing. You can write transpose or you can write transposing. Minus 2 from LHS to RHS. That means what? Changing. Minus 2, changing the side. Changing minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, changing the side. Side of minus 2 from LHS to RHS. From LHS to RHS. Have understood, children? Now, when we transpose or when we change the side of a constant term from one side to other side, what will happen? So the same thing we are going to do. That means what? When we are adding, what will you do? 3x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2. Isn't it, children? This minus 2, here, when it becomes here, it becomes plus 2. What is the meaning? We are adding this plus 2 to both sides. Isn't it? Minus 2, instead of to cancel this 2 from left hand side, we are adding the same number. We are applying the opposite or inverse operation. And what operation we are applying? The same operation we are applying in the right hand side also. Isn't it? So here when you add plus 2 this side, both will get cancelled. You will have only 3x. But this time is what? This side is what? 12. Isn't it? This side becomes 12. When you add, how? 10 plus 2. First it was only 3x minus 2 is equal to 10. Then after adding, this side, after adding plus 2 both sides, this side becomes 3x and this side becomes 10 plus 2. Isn't it, children? That means this minus 2, when you transpose from LHS to RHS, when it comes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. Is it clear? In the same way, suppose you have 5x minus 2 is equal to 12, plus 2 is equal to 12. So here we have to eliminate this 2 first, isn't it? So this plus 2, what will you do? You will subtract what? 5x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 12. Isn't it, children? So what will happen? What will happen to the LHS? 2 and 2 get cancelled. You will have only 5x. This side is what? 10 minus 12, 12 minus 2, 10. Isn't it? Or this side, we are having 12 minus 2. Now you just leave this step. You connect these two things. See the connection between these two? The equation is 5x plus 2 is equal to 12. And after transposing this plus 2 from LHS to RHS, what happens? The plus 2 has come to the right hand side. But the sign, here it is addition, it has become subtraction. Here it is plus 2. When you change the side, here it is minus 2. Is it clear, children? So, to cut short this step, what step here? This step. We are applying what? Transposing. Is it clear? Suppose you have 7x plus 5 is equal to 12. So, we will be writing one step. What step you will write? 7x plus 2. To eliminate this, we will be subtracting. Minus 5 is equal to 12 minus 5. But we are going to cut short this step. We are not going to write. Because when you go to higher classes, you have to do more and more solving sums. So at that time, if you go write all these simple steps, it will take time. Okay. So to cut short all these steps, so the same thing only we are doing, but we are writing in another word. What? We are using another term, a new term, transpose. What is the meaning of transpose? Change the side. Okay. So here, so the next step, what you are getting here, the same thing. You are getting 7x is equal to 12 minus 5. That means what? Here, when you write this step straight away, we will use the term transpose. Plus 5 from LHS to RHS. Okay, but no need to write this. If you understand in mind, that is enough. So if you write this step, it is understood that you have applied the transposing operation. Have you understood, children? So to cut short this step only, we are using the word transpose. But meaning is the same. We are applying the opposite operation and eliminating the terms in the left hand side, constant in the left hand side. But we are doing the opposite operation or changing the sign of the constant term when it comes to the right hand side. Is it clear? So now we will apply this and do the sums in 4.3. Okay. Sum number 1. Solve the following equations in exercise 4.3. The same solve the equations only, but here we are going to cut short one step and do the sum. Okay. So sum number A. Two y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Okay, so here first we have to eliminate the addition constant with the addition operation. So what is the number, what is the constant connected with the variable by addition? Here it is 5 by 2. Okay, so we have to eliminate which number first? We have to eliminate this 5 by 2 first. Okay, so this 5 by 2, this plus 5 by 2, we have to eliminate from the LHS. So for that, what should we do? We have to take this plus 5 by 2 and put in the right hand side. Okay, we have to take this 5 by 2 from left hand side and we have to write in the right hand side. So that means we are changing the side of plus 5 by 2 to the right hand side. From left hand side to right hand side. So when you are changing this plus 5 by 2, that is you are transposing this plus 5 by 2 to the right hand side. This plus 5 by 2 will become minus 5 by 2. How? Because we have to apply what operation? The inverse. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Is it clear? So this step will be what? 2y. So we have planned to transpose this plus 5 by 2 to the RHS. So this side we will have only 2y is equal to 37 by 2. So we are going to carry this and we are going to bring it to this side. And here it is plus, so you have to change the sign. That means what? Addition operation will become subtraction operation. Minus 5 by 2. So what we have done, but you don't need to write, I am writing transposing plus 5 by 2 from LHS to RHS. Is it clear, children? So no need to write. If you understand, that's enough. Straight away we'll move the next step. So what will happen? 2y is equal to, see the denominator both are 2. So same, they are like fractions. So same, you can take the 2 as common denominator. So there will not be any change in the denominator, so no change in the numerator. So 37 minus 5. This is subtraction of fractions. Okay, so what do you get? 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 is equal to what? 32. 32 by 2. Okay, so you can write this as 16. Now what should you do? We are getting 2y is equal to 16. So you have to eliminate this 2. We want the solve means what? We have to find the value of the variable. So here y is the variable. So we have to find the value of y. So we have to eliminate this 2. Here it is multiplication. So what should you do? You have to divide both sides by 2. So 2y by 2 is equal to 16 by 2. Here no need to write because already we have done many sums. Here it is not asked to write the steps. So straight away you can write like this. But I will write for you to understand, but you no need to write. Divide both sides by 2. Okay? Because we have to eliminate these 2 from the left hand side. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So 2 goes how many times? 8 times. So y is equal to 8. Now shall we check whether answer is correct or not? See here, LHS is equal to 2y, 2 into 8 plus 5 by 2. 2 8s are 16 plus 5 by 2. So when you add this 16, 16 by 1. So denominator is 2. Okay. So 16 into 2, 5 into 1. Cross multiply. So 16 2s are 32 plus 5 is equal to 37 by 2. We are getting the RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the answer Y is equal to 8. We have verified. Is it clear, children? Now we'll do sum number B. Sum number B. Is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. The same thing. Okay. So first we got to eliminate the addition, that is 28. So for that what will you do? Add 28 here is addition. So we will do subtraction, isn't it? Subtract 28 from both sides. So instead of writing that step, we are going to what? Do what operation? This changing the sign. That is, we are going to transpose plus 28 from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay. So what will happen? 5t is equal to 10. When you are transposing plus 28 from LHS to RHS, this addition will become subtraction. In other words, this plus 28 will become minus 28. How? Because we have to apply the subtraction operation on both sides to eliminate this 28. And this meaning is the same, but we are doing in a short step. Let's start. Okay. So we in this usually you will write subtract 28 from both sides, and we will do the subtraction and cancel, and we will do, isn't it? So instead of writing to those extra steps, we are just writing this. What are we getting? 5t is equal to minus 18, because it is more negative. Big number is negative number. So when you have more negatives and less positives, the answer will be a negative 1. Okay. Then subtract 28 minus 10 is 18. Is it clear, children? Now what should here? You can write what? No need to write. I am writing transposing plus 28 from LHS to RHS. It is the same as what? Subtracting 28 from both sides, from left hand side and right hand side. The same thing, both are same. And now we have to, here it is, we have to eliminate 5, second step. So 5 is what? 5 into t. So we have to apply the division. So we have to divide both sides by what number? 5. That is minus 18 by 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So the answer is minus 18 by 5. So what you have done? Divide both sides by 5. Okay, children, and these two steps no need to write. If you want, you can write, but you can cut short the steps, and if you write only this is enough. Now let us check the answer. LHS 55 into minus 18 by 5 plus 28. Okay. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So what do you get here? Minus 18 plus 28. What do we have? 28 minus 18 is 10. Are you getting them? RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the answer is what? What is the answer? T is equal to minus 18 by 5. Okay, children, is it clear for you? I think you might have understood the sum, and we'll continue the same exercise in the next session. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I'll clarify your doubts. Okay? Thank you, children. God bless you. Take care of your health.